Here I got the movement out of the case, and if you watched one of my recent videos, I say if you take your case cleaning agent, you can take a lot of the grime and grub off prior to putting it into your ultrasonic cleaner. And so that's what I'm doing here. And I highly stress that you need to clean it off afterwards, because this has got cleaning agent in it, and it will continue to eat away at the grime. And here it was rusted, and as you can see, it's getting cleaned up just with a little bit of elbow grease. So I'm going to continue cleaning this off with the, I just pulled out some New Life furniture mask, and before I put it into my ultrasonic cleaner, and I'm going to take this movement apart, which I typically don't do because it is extremely dirty, and I want to make sure that I get this furniture mask off of the parts so it doesn't continue to clean and eat away at the metal. And you do that by bending these tabs. And I don't like bending these tabs because eventually they're going to break off. There's some burrs on this, so I have to take a file or a Dremel and get the burrs off for them to come up out of those slots. But it'll come apart with a little bit of finesse, and I'm gonna take this thing apart and clean it up, and go from there. Please hit the subscribe button.